Fiestag itself is an industry event that is very important for us. It's because this is the perfect time for most of the backyard breeders to really prepare themselves for the breeding season. So I guess the timing of this is very perfect for them. Yun lang.
Oh, ako Bert, I think important talaga yung Fiestag kasi dito natin nakikita na lumalakas yung game fowl industry. Especially ngayon sa dami ng nararanasan ng bansa natin when it comes to the animal industry, yung game fowl talaga yung sumasalo ng industriya natin dito ng paghahayop. So ano po siya, kaya noong 2022, I think, when the group also led by Deltaman, yung IGF, when they started yung event ng Sabong again, talagang that paved the way sa pagbalik ulit ng paglaki ng industriya. Ngayon, if we can see, all of the companies are sponsoring, all of the breeders are here, so talagang especially at this time in our life sa Pilipinas, kailangan natin to ngayon.
Well, I think how the sabong industry has evolved. I've been in this industry for the past 19 years. I've seen how we have grown from kumbaga very traditional. Nung nagsimula yung mga expo events like this, people were very confused and intrigued. How will it go? How will they sell? But as you can see, yung mga expo ngayon are a key success factor sa mga most of the breeders. Kasi lahat ng commercial breeders na kilala nito na malalaki, nandito na sila. You don't have to go to their places. They are here. They will bring their best chickens to give you the opportunity na ma-acquire yung mga breeding rights sila.
Ayun, so for me, ito yung ganitong klaseng event started from the poultry show, which is yan yung kakabit na event itong Fiestag, and from there nagkaroon tayo ng different other mga expos and festivals. Ngayon, regional, meron na siya, meron na rin Cebu, meron ng Cagayan de Oro. So doon natin nakita na akala natin normally yung ganito kasi mga trends lang siya, but the expo stage pagdating sa sabong keeps on evolving. Kumaga taon-taon parami siya ng parami, dumadami yung mga kumpanyang sumasali. So what we see for it in the future is maybe, malay mo, we can occupy a very much a bigger space. Malay natin, may venue na doble nitong SMX. So the future really looks good because of events like this that brings the industry together.
Firstly, I'd like to congratulate the organizers of the Fiestag, named specifically FIGBA, the organization who made this happen, and of course their partner Deltaman. So without Miss Mildred, of course, without her organizing all of this won't be successful. And lastly, yung ating mga bayang sabongero na patuloy na sumusuporta sa aming kumpanya, sa Thunderbirds at sa mga ganitong events to make sure that these events will be very successful.
Ayun, Albert said a lot of things na para sa akin naman, yun nga, again, reiteration lang siya na ang mga event na ganito ay ginawa ko para po sa bayang sabongero. So kami po sa Thunderbird, we're very proud to be the co-presenter of this event, na we're very proud na hindi namin siya iniwan all through these years. And yun nga when Thunderbird supports something, kayang asahan niya na nandun kami hanggang sa dulo talaga. So thank you everybody for sana nakapunta kayo. Kung hindi man kayo nakapunta, meron pa next year, kaya huwag kayong mawawala.